Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I have ordered a Bluetooth device from an Flipkart, which can be used in the car player. You can see I've already unboxed this uh, ordered. So this is the pricing and all I've got. Let's keep this aside, and this is the product, friends. This is the Bluetooth device. If your car player is not working, then you can connect this Bluetooth device for your car player, and you can play the music by connecting your Bluetooth to this Bluetooth device. So let's open this. So you can see, friends, Bluetooth car Bluetooth music receiver, hand free. So I'm opening this box now. So you can see here, friends, this is the Bluetooth device with mic. This is the button to start this Bluetooth device and connect to your mobile device. So this is the charging cable. You need to charge this Bluetooth device to to connect to your car player. So you should plug in here, and you should plug into your adapter of any mobile, or you can also connect to your laptop to charge this device. So they have given an instruction here. The product is quality checked and this product is QC passed. If unable to attach, don't know how to use, or unable to find its function, please contact our technical support team. Please charge it for 30 minutes before use. So I need to charge this, friend, for 30 minutes. So, and this is the extension they have provided. So we need to put here, and we should plug in this to our car player, where we are plugging the Vox cable. There we should just plug in this and leave it and start this device, and just connect this to your mobile. So first I will charge this device for 30 minutes, and further I will show the working of this device, how this product is working in my car. So this is the motto of this order, friend, was my car player was not working properly. So I have ordered this mini device, which can be suitable for my car. So first I am charging, friend, by plugging into my plug in the cable into my device. So friends, after 30 minutes I have removed this Bluetooth device from my charging adapter. So now this is fully charged. So I am owning this. So you can check this. Red light and blue light means this Bluetooth device is now on and ready to play the music. Now I will show directly in the car how this Bluetooth device works. So let's go in the car stereo system. So now I am in my car. So now I am plugging this Bluetooth device, where we are plugging Vox cable. So you can see here, now I am owning this device, and this is on now. So I am connecting this device to my mobile. So you can see here, I am owning my Bluetooth. See, you can see here Bluetooth music. So I am pairing this Bluetooth device. So now the connected for call and media audio. This Bluetooth device is connected. So friends, now I am playing this video music. See. So in this way, friends, this Bluetooth device works in car stereo system. So this was the demo video. So for buying this device, you can check out the link given below in the video description. And if you like this video, then please like, share and comment, and please subscribe to this channel. And thank you so much friends. Bye.